Hi everyone! Let's attempt to make something delicious today.
Today we'll be making sweet and sour chicken. For the ingredients, I have used a yellow pepper, a red pepper, a red onion and some garlic. You can also use green peppers and pineapples as well. For the chicken marinade, I have used 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, half a tablespoon of Shaoxing wine, half a tablespoon of sesame oil and a pinch of pepper. Once mixed, marinate the chicken for a few hours. For the sweet and sour sauce, you will need 1 teaspoon of minced ginger, a 1/3 cup of sugar, a 1/3 cup of white vinegar, a 1/3 cup of ketchup, 1 teaspoon of salt, a dash of lemon juice, a slice of lemon, and 1 cup of water. Coat the chicken with corn flour. Pan fry the chicken for 2 to 3 minutes on both sides until they're cooked through and golden. When the chicken is done, take them out. To drain out any excess oil, which will be used later, tilt the pan to one side. Fry the garlic and onions until they're fragrant and then add in the peppers and then the sauce. Boil until the peppers are soft. You can try the sauce at this stage to see if it's sweet enough for you. If not, add more sugar. To thicken the sauce, add 1 teaspoon of corn flour mixed with water. Lastly, add in the chicken, give it a mix and then you're ready to serve. And that's how you make sweet and sour chicken. Thanks for watching!